Hello students, welcome to chemistry class. Today we will start our first chapter of chemistry, that is matter. In previous class you have studied that matter is composed of atoms and molecules and it is found in the form of solid, liquid and gases. In the present class you will be able to understand that these states of matter are changed on the basis of interparticle state, interparticle collisions, or it may be the impact of the molecules. You will also study the kinetic molecular theory of matter and the law of conservation of mass that will help you to understand the behavior of matter. As already in previous class you all studied about matter. Anything that covers space is called matter, and all matter found in the form of solid, liquid and gas. Now, in this class, you will study how state of matter are changed on the basis of interparticle strain and interparticle collisions. And you will also study the kinetic molecular theory of matter and law of conservation in this chapter. Now, kinetic molecular theory of matter. The kinetic theory of matter visualized that all substances, whether solids, liquids or gaseous, are made of atoms, molecules or ions that are in constant motion. Is called the kinetic molecular theory of matter. Here's the word kinetic is derived from Greek word kinos, which means motion. I already told you that matter, what is matter? Anything that covers space. In your surroundings, each and everything is matter. The things that cover space is called matter. Matter are in solid state, liquid state, gaseous state. Okay. In kinetic theory of matter, all matter are composed of many particles called atom, ions or molecules. For example, this is your matter. And this matter is made up of many small particles. These particles is called atom, ions or molecules. These ions or these particles are constant in motion. This is called kinetic theory of matter. Now, kinetic is derived from Greek word kinos. What is the meaning of kinos? Kinos, which means motion. These particles are always in motion. Some important points of kinetic molecular theory of matter are: all matter, solid, liquid or gas, are composed of many submicroscopic particles called atoms, ions or molecules. These particles constituting substances are in a state of continuous motion, whether vibratory or translatory. For example, you can see this diagram very carefully, then you can see these particles are in moving, these particles are moved constantly, these particles are move, and these are very submicroscopic particles. These particles is called atom, I already told you. It is basically a kinetic model of a gas. The molecules are moving with high velocity in vacant space. The head of the arrow indicates the direction and their length indicates the magnitude of velocity. In this diagram, you see that the molecules are moving with high velocity in vacant space. There is a vacant space between the molecules. Then you can see this is the vacant space and the head of arrow. This head of arrow indicates the direction in which direction the molecules move, and the length of indicates the magnitude of velocity, and this length indicates the magnitude of velocity. It indicates speed of molecules. Magnitude of velocity indicates speed of molecules. The particles of matter in the gaseous and liquid state are moving in the helter-skelter direction. अब जो पार्टिकल्स गैशियस और लिक्विड स्टेट के होते हैं वो हेल्टर स्केल्टर डायरेक्शन में मूव करते हैं. व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ हेल्टर स्केल्टर डायरेक्शन? इट मीन्स दैट्स रैंडमली और बहुत जल्दी जल्दी जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं गैशियस और लिक्विड स्टेट के वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव करते हैं. जब वो मूव करते हैं तो वो एक दूसरे के साथ टकराते भी हैं. This collide with one another, but these collisions are elastic. The total energy of collide particles remains the same. जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि जो पार्टिकल्स है वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव करते हैं, तो वो इतनी जल्दी मूव करते हैं तो वो एक दूसरे के साथ टकराते भी हैं, कोलाइड करते हैं. बट जब भी वो कोलाइड करते हैं उनकी एनर्जी जो रहती है वो कांस्टेंट रहती है, एनर्जी में कोई चेंजेस नहीं आता है. द मूवमेंट ऑफ पार्टिकल्स इज कॉज्ड बाय फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन द मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ द गिवन सब्सटेंसेस. इट इज नोन एज इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. The magnitude of this force depends on the state of the substance as well as the magnitude of the intermolecular space. On heating, the kinetic energy of the particles increases and they can move faster. Now, for example, now I will tell you what exactly intermolecular space is. For example, this is two particles, or you can say this is two molecules, and there is a space between the molecules. You can see there is a space between the molecules. This space is called intermolecular space. The space between two particles or two molecules or two atoms is called intermolecular space. And you can see these are three particles and they are interact with each other, they are connect with each other. अगर वो एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, इट मीन्स कोई ना कोई तो ऐसी फोर्स है जो इनको टकरा रही है, कोई ना कोई ऐसी फोर्स है जिनकी वजह से वो एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़ रहे हैं. दैट फोर्स इज कॉल्ड फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन और इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स. अंडरस्टैंड नाउ व्हाट इज इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस. द स्पेस बिटवीन टू मॉलिक्यूल्स आर कॉल्ड इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस and the force between these particles are called force of attraction. The force of attraction is called intermolecular force. That is intermolecular force. That force is called intermolecular force. On heating, the kinetic energy of particle increases. When we heat, जब भी हम टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज करेंगे और हीट करेंगे तो जो काइनेटिक एनर्जी के जो भी पार्टिकल्स हैं वो इंक्रीज हो जाएंगे एंड दे कैन मूव फास्टर. वो फास्टर मूव करने लग जाएंगे. इस लाइन को वी विल अंडरस्टैंड इन नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज फोर्स बिटवीन द मॉलिक्यूल्स. वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न दैट मैटर एग्जिस्ट इन थ्री स्टेट्स, दैट इज सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैसेस. All matter is made up of atom, molecules and ions. I already told you that matter are in the form of solid, liquid and gaseous. And all the matters which is surrounding you, all matters are made up of atoms, molecules or ions. We know that ice, water and water vapor are the three states of the same substance, that is water. So they must have same kind of molecules. नाउ आइस, वाटर एंड वाटर वेपर ये सब एक ही सब्सटेंसेस के बने, एक ही सेम सब्सटेंस के हैं. डेट इज़ वाटर. वाटर अगर सॉलिड फॉर्म में होगा तो आइस बन जाएगा, लिक्विड में होगा तो वाटर, एंड अगर गैसियस स्टेट में होगा तो वाटर वेपर. अगर वाटर है इसका फॉर्म चेंज है बट जो मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं वो तो सेम ही होंगे. मॉलिक्यूल्स तो चेंज होने नहीं वाले हैं, मॉलिक्यूल्स तो सेम है, वो चेंज नहीं होंगे. बट Why do they have different properties? Properties क्यों different हैं? Molecule same है, substance भी same है, but properties क्यों different हैं? This is because there is difference in the arrangement of molecules in the solid, liquid and gaseous state of matter. Properties इसीलिए different हैं क्योंकि जो arrangement है molecules का, जो I already told you that ना, जो मैटर किससे बना होता है, मॉलिक्यूल से बना रहता है. अब जो मॉलिक्यूल्स का जो अरेंजमेंट होता है ना सॉलिड, लिक्विड और गैस में, वो एकदम डिफरेंट होता है. दैट्स वाई उनकी जो प्रॉपर्टीज़ होती हैं वो डिफर करती हैं. द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स इन द डिफरेंट स्टेट ऑफ मैटर, सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैस. नाउ इन फिगर यू सी द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स इन थ्री स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर. सॉलिड, देख रहे हो सॉलिड में जो पार्टिकल्स हैं, जो मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं, कितनी क्लोजली पैक हैं, दे आर वेरी क्लोज टू ईच अदर. एंड इन लिक्विड देर इज लिटिल बिट वैकेंट स्पेस बिटवीन द मॉलिक्यूल्स. दैट स्पेस इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट स्पेस इज कॉल्ड इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस. एंड कम टू गैसियस स्टेट, there is number of vacant spaces over there, right? And the particles are moving very, very fast in a helter and skelter direction. And I already told you what is helter and skelter direction, right? Now, you can notice that the molecules in solid state are closely packed together and are not able to move freely. In liquid, though the molecules are closely packed together, they are able to move around past each other. In gaseous, the molecules have no definite arrangement and are spread very far apart. Compared to solid and liquid, they are also be able to move freely. Same way, सॉलिड में जो मॉलिक्यूल्स है वो पैक्ड हैं, लिक्विड में पैक्ड नहीं है, थोड़े बहुत मूव कर रहे हैं. एंड इन गैसियस स्टेट्स दे आर able to move very freely. It means that the force of attraction in gaseous states are very less, right? And the force of attraction in solid state are very high. Why are particles closely packed in solid and liquid? This is due to the presence of force of attraction between the molecules. This force of attraction between the molecules is an intermolecular force. We already discussed what is force of attraction, right? The force of attraction between the molecules is called intermolecular force. That force is called intermolecular force. And the space between these molecules are called intermolecular space. The magnitude of this force depends on the distance between the molecules. Larger the distance between the molecules in the substance, weaker the force of attraction between the molecules. Therefore, the force of attraction between the molecules is not uniform in three states of matter. Okay? अब जो force of attraction है ये three states में वो same है? No, not at all. The force of attraction in solid state is very high. In liquid state there is weaker. And gaseous state there is no force of attraction because the molecules move very freely. There is very weak force of attraction between the molecules. In solid such as ice, the molecules are held very close to one another by strong intermolecular force. Therefore, they are not able to move freely. So, solid substances are hard and cannot be pressed easily. Now, you ever think that why solid are very hard in nature? Why solid are very hard in nature? Because the particles in solid form very close to each other and there is so much force of attraction over there. That's why solid are very hard in nature. This is also explain why solid have definite shape and volume. Solid also have a definite shape and volume. Are you able to change the shape of solid? Are you able to change the shape of solid? No. When we heat a solid substance, for example ice or wax, its molecules gain energy and begin to move to or far vigorously at this place. This motion increases if the solid is heated further and also increase the intermolecular space between the molecules. When we heat a solid substance, जब हम solid substance में heat provide कर देंगे, it means that उसका जो temperature है वो increase करेंगे, तो क्या हो जाएगा? अगर हम example ले लेते हैं ice का आपने temperature increase किया, right? अगर temperature increase किया तो उसका क्या हो गया? Form change हो गया? सॉलिड किस में चेंज हो गया? लिक्विड स्टेट में चेंज हो गया. एंड जो पार्टिकल्स, सॉलिड के जो पार्टिकल्स हैं उनको क्या मिल जाएगा? एनर्जी मिल जाएगा. जब हमने हीट प्रोवाइड किया तो जो सॉलिड के पार्टिकल्स को एनर्जी मिल जाएगा एंड दे बिगन टू मूव टू एंड फ्रो विगसली, और वो थोड़े बहुत मूव करने शुरू कर देंगे. आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू ना इन दिस ऑन हीटिंग द काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ पार्टिकल्स इंक्रीजेज एंड दे कैन मूव फास्टर. लाइकवाइज जब हम सॉलिड को हीट करेंगे तो जो पार्टिकल्स एनर्जी गेन होगा. जब एनर्जी गेन होगा, एनर्जी गेन होने के बाद वो मूव करना शुरू कर देंगे और जो भी इंटरमोलिकुलर स्पेस होगा वो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में और जो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है वो कम हो जाएगा. इन लिक्विड द मॉलिक्यूल्स आर हेल्ड टुगेदर लेस टाइटली. Therefore, liquid can be compressed slightly. The molecules in the liquids are able to move around each other. This enables them to slide over one another easily and take the shape of a container in which they are kept. Now, in liquid state already जो molecules होते हैं वो एक दूसरे के साथ थोड़ा मूव करते हैं क्योंकि वहाँ पर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन कम होता है. और हम कभी भी लिक्विड को आप कोई भी कंटेनर में डालोगे वो उस कंटेनर में चला जाएगा. क्या सॉलिड को डाल सकते हैं? नो. लिक्विड को हम कोई भी कंटेनर में शेप में डालेंगे तो वो ईजिली मूव हो जाएगा बिकॉज जो पार्टिकल्स हैं वो मूव करते हैं एज वेल एज जो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होता है पार्टिकल्स के बीच में वो कम होता है लिक्विड स्टेट में. इन गैसियस द मॉलिक्यूल्स आर स्प्रेड फार अपार्ट. द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन देम इज नेग्लिजिबल as compared to solid and liquid. Therefore, the molecules in the gaseous state are able to move freely. They get widely separated from one another. Thus, gases occupy the shape and volume of the container. They can be compressed easily because there is enough space between the molecules. Now, if we are talking about gaseous state, the force of attraction are negligible in gaseous state. Force of attractions are negligible in gaseous state as compared to solid or liquid. Solid liquid में थोड़ा बहुत force of attraction है but gaseous state में तो उतना भी force of attraction नहीं है. इसलिए जो molecules हैं gaseous के वो easily move करते हैं. That's why हम गैस को कंप्रेस कर देते हैं ईजिली क्योंकि उसके जो मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं उनमें बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेस होते हैं इसलिए हम गैस को कंप्रेस कर सकते हैं. टायर्स में बेसिकली गैस ही रहती है. वो क्यों हम उसमें टायर में गैस भर सकते हैं क्योंकि उसमें जो मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं उनमें बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेस होती है. दे कैन बी कंप्रेस्ड ईजली. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी वाइंड अप द क्लास. In this class, we covered kinetic molecular theory of matter and force between the molecules. This is the assignment which I already sent you on 3rd April 2020. Very short answer type questions. What are the basic properties of the three states of matter? We will learn that is mass, volume and shape. This is the basic properties of matter. Name the change of the state from solid to liquid state. जब सॉलिड से लिक्विड स्टेट में चेंज होगा, सॉलिड लिक्विड स्टेट में चेंज होगा तो क्या बोलेंगे उस प्रोसेस को? मेल्टिंग. नेम द टेम्परेचर एंड पॉइंट एट विच लिक्विड स्टेट चेंजेस इनटू सॉलिड स्टेट. नेम द टेम्परेचर. एट द टेम्परेचर 0 डिग्री Celsius and at freezing point liquid state changes into solid state. What is the interconversion of matter on the basis of kinetic theory on heating solid? What happens when we provide heat to the solid particles? Then the particles gain energy. Name the scientist who laid the foundation of chemical science by establishing importance law of chemical combination. Antoine L. Lavoisier. What is the meaning of kinos? Kinos means motion. What is indicated by the head of arrow? We discussed earlier direction. What is indicated by the length of arrow? The magnitude of velocity. It means speed. Name the direction of the particles of matter in gaseous and liquid state are moving in which direction? Helter-skelter direction. Name the scientist who told that mass can be converted into energy. अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन. किस साइंटिस्ट ने बोला था कि मास कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा एनर्जी में? मास कैन बी कन्वर्टेड. दैट साइंटिस्ट इज अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन. व्हाट आर डिफरेंट स्टेट ऑफ मैटर? देयर आर 3 डिफरेंट स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर: सॉलिड, लिक्विड, गैस. व्हाट आर द 2 लॉज गिवन बाय एंटोनी एल लवेसियर? लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास एंड लॉ ऑफ कांस्टेंट प्रोपोर्शंस. हाउ मैटर इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ? मैटर किससे बनता है? मैटर इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ एटम्स, मॉलिक्यूल्स एंड आयन्स. डिफाइन इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस. द स्पेस बिटवीन द मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ द मैटर इज कॉल्ड इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस. द स्पेस बिटवीन द मॉलिक्यूल्स, राइट? द स्पेस बिटवीन द मॉलिक्यूल्स is called intermolecular space. Define matter. Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. For example, table, fan, air, etc. These all are matter because it occupies some space, right? What are submicroscopic particles? The submicroscopic particles, atom, molecules and ions. Submicroscopic particles are atom, molecules, ions, small ions, particles in the matter. Why are particles closely packed in solid and liquid? This is due to the presence of force of attraction between the molecules, because there is a lot of force of attraction in solid and liquid particles. That's why they are closely packed. Define kinetic molecular theory of matter. All substances, whether solid, liquid or gas, are made of atoms, molecules and ions that are in constant motion. All particles are in motion. That is called kinetic theory of matter. Define intermolecular force of attraction. The force of attraction between the molecules of the matter is called intermolecular force of attraction. The force of attraction between the molecules is called intermolecular force of attraction. Why solid have definite shape and volume? In solid, the molecules are closely packed together and there is a strong force of attraction between the molecules. That is why solid have definite shape and volume. Solid की shape क्यों है? एक definite shape क्यों होती है? क्योंकि जो force of attractions होते हैं molecules के वो closely pack होते हैं. Define the law of conservation of mass. We will discuss law of conservation of mass in our next assignment. Now you can briefly understand mass can neither be created nor destroyed. Mass can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. Mass को ना तोड़ा जा सकता है ना उसको create किया जा सकता है chemical reactions के time. This is also known as law of indestructibility of matter. What is mass energy? Equation given by scientist Albert Einstein. Mass energy का एक equation दिया था Albert Einstein ने. क्या दिया था? E is equals to mc square. This is the equation given by Einstein, where E is the kinetic theory, m is mass, c is the velocity of light. Now show the arrangement of molecules in three states of matter. Solid. The molecules in solid are closely packed together and are not able to move freely. Solid में जो molecules है वो pack होते हैं एक दूसरे के, वो आपको arrangement show करके दिखाने हैं molecules की different state of matter में. ये आपने कर दिया. And then in liquid, so the molecules are closely packed together. They are able to move around past each other. थोड़ा move कर सकते हैं. In gaseous state, the molecules have no definite arrangement, are spread very far apart compared to solid and liquid. They are also able to move freely. In gaseous states, they are able to move freely. Okay. Now you can learn these assignment questions again at home. Okay. Thank you so much, students.